the hell? Okay, anyway, folks. It is nearly midday. Just leaving back to my father's for the first time after some weeks. Look at what the heck fell down on the floor. I even get the smell. Is that some... Why is there a bunch of green grass on the floor? Perhaps it's been so hot for the last 5 and 6 days, and now we are seasonally back to average again. That's probably why all that green gas smelling grass fell down. Gee, but yeah, it does smell like gas. That grass, ouch. Was that a bottle of alcohol? But yeah, that bit of grass did smell a bit like gas. A way to take something out of the dump. I have a camera in my dad's house. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's a security camera, so it can find out what I'm doing.
That's for you.
Oh, really?
But anyway.
Okay. The first Saturday tradition we've been the last few weeks. Now we're going to be continuing that for another 3 Saturdays before another big break, which is this time over a month. My months have come to... Yep, it is already June, folks. You see the date? When it comes to the 23rd, we'll be out until the end of the next month. So, that means I'll be back to traditions once more in August, after the next few weeks. Oh well. I need some Dream Team cards. It looks like there's a Dream Team event. Oh no, the cards ran out. It turns out that the cards ran out. I thought there was something like Dream Team. Oh, it looks like a... Oh, I thought that was a play.
That's a kind of good play.
Oh. I thought it was like a real theater play. Oh well. I have no idea what it's all about. Maybe it should be like a theatrical concept, but jeez. It's like one of the types of power of music. Oh, that was hilarious. That magician guy. Okay, now I'm waiting for my dad to come because I'm sure we are pretty far behind again. Pretty 101%. What the? My ears popped, you guys. That was that loud that my ears have popped this time. I'm not even playing any games like GTA 5 or Call of Duty or Assassin's Creed. My ears actually have popped when that guy was honking at me. Well, at least that's done with. Whatever. Oh crap. I wasn't expecting class. Oh, whatever, matter. Take that, boxes of brick shredded. Haha. You're not gonna believe your eyes on what kind of slime I found. Yeah, these are actually slimes. Isn't that funny? Like one of them's just a donut, the other one's like a waffle. Yeah, these are fun. These are really fun. Alright, folks, so I just opened the new slimes, and guess what? I got a fun little haircut now. I cut the sides to half, but the upper side is like 2, according to, I think this. I completely shaved my beard off with a razor. It itched for some time. I got some new Sharpie markers to play around with now. Oh, it's a bit hard open. Oh, okay. What? The twin tip Sharpies? Really? Well, one of them we have, of the fine version, but we don't have the shizzle version. The shizzle version is like the whiteboard one. And like that.
Shizzle.
Okay, some more things. An iPhone X. Uh-oh. I think that's the new iPhone X. Oh, that's the cover. I thought it was a real iPhone X, but the cover. It's actually a cover, folks. It's not real. Let me show you this. Right now, the whole of this has been painted, and a bench has been added. It has completely changed between now and 3 weeks ago. Before my dad left. That floor over there was not white. It was black. Also, there was no bench over there. So, yep, that must have changed as well. Oh, it's on the very bottom. Next to another house, actually, but you can still see it from our view right now. Let me close it. Well, guys, that will do for today. Thanks for watching. I'm ending it now because in like half an hour we are going to be watching the Bohemian Rhapsody film. Originally the song made by Queens. But actually we're not going to be listening to the whole thing. Like, the whole film is what we're going to be watching. Yeah, the song must be in some part, like especially the trailers and stuff. You might all know that. But yeah, we're going to be watching Bohemian Rhapsody made by the Queens. And it's going to be great. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning, maybe at midnight, whatever it is. And I will see you in either 3.5 hours or 12.5 hours.